Hey guys, Dynamite647 here, and in this video we will look at installing a rear facing dash cam. So what you will need for this kind of setup is a long USB wire, so you can run it from front to back. My dash cam didn't come with it, so that's why I bought one separately or purchased one. If your dash cam comes with it, then you'll have everything right here. You obviously need your dash cam. This is the joint dash cam, and then just a trim or panel opening tool. So we're inside the car here right now, and in my case, for me to run the dash cam from the front to the back, this dash cam only works with the joint head unit. If you want to see a video of how I installed it, click on the link that is going to pop up. This is independent of my front dash cam. Also, if you want to see how I installed it, I'll provide a link on that. So sometimes you might get a dash cam that is for both front and back, which makes it easier, but in my case I have to attach this dash cam to the head unit because it runs on the software in here or the app. So to do that, there's this female USB cable. I'm going to attach my male USB cable to this, run this cable all the way to the back of the car, and that is where I'll hook it up to the back and the dash cam will work. And the way we will run this wire is below the glove box. It is going to go by the front door B pillar. We're going to come out here under the trim all the way, and then we're going to go past the seat, and what I'm thinking is installing it right here in the back. Alright, so I've removed the glove box from pulling from these two tabs. I've shown them in a bunch of my videos how to do that. I temporarily connected it to the head unit female USB just so there's an anchor point, and now all I gotta do is push it in from behind and through here. So you run it, and I'm just doing it approximately right now, or rather roughly, just so if I need slack at the end I could use it. So I'm gonna pull the wire all the way, right? As you can see, it's hidden, and this won't affect the glove box because this will be behind it anyways. So now you can just start tucking it all the way, roughly again, just so when you come back. So I'm running it by the front door right so far. I'm gonna push the wire all the way to the back. The length of the wire you can pick according to your car. Some cars might need more than others, so plus I know I already have some slack from the camera wire itself, so I won't run short. So I'm just continuing to run the wire under the trim piece here. Around here what I did is sort of run it behind the seat belt holder. It's coming up. In a second I'll hide it a bit better. I've left it for now just in case I need to move the wire in any direction. So all we're doing is just continuing down for now, and my wire is almost running short, so I'm gonna have to then connect it to the camera wire pretty early. So we'll continue that process. So I've run the wire here, still gotta hide it. Continued running down here. Now it goes under the seat. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it down there. I had to lay it on the seat, but then it comes from under the seat. This plastic cover stops right at the base of the seat, so I put it under it like that. I didn't show all of this because it's just tucking in really, so you can tuck in all the way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a handoff here. So my camera is just sitting here, but I'm just checking how the connection or where I'm going to hook them up. So I found this panel right here in the back. Once I put the wire in, because the clips are in only certain locations, the rest of it has a gap anyways. The cable will sit down here anyways. I can also put a 3M and attach it to it, but it won't move because this is all blocked from here. So I'm going to leave the cable behind here, And if you can see, and then just continue running the camera wire. So at the moment I'm running the wire under this rear trim piece, because this will all be hidden by the seat anyways. And what I'm thinking is I'll hide it here at the top in a tissue box like that. This is gonna sit right here and the camera will be inside of this. I'm not putting it here or up on the ceiling, as the camera is really big, so over here it won't sit properly because of this dash area, the plastic area here, and at the top here in the roof it's not sticking really well. So plus it's going to be big, it's going to come like that, and whoever's sitting in the middle seat might hit their head with it. So the best option for me is to place a tissue box here and install it in it. That will give it a good sticky surface and good stability. So here I have the camera installed inside of the tissue box. There you can see the cutout, and I'm gonna mount this onto the back this way and then put some tissues inside of the box. Installation is complete, everything has been put away, all the panels put back together. Wire is a small wire, so you can easily hide it. Here's under the B pillar, it's hidden here as well. Now under the seat, all of these places you won't see the wire once you put them back. The only place where you will see the wire sticking out is right behind the seat, the middle seat. That's how we're in the wire. But from the outside, if you look at it here, it's hidden. It's very nice actually. The camera is discreet, and I've had a little cutout in the box itself for the camera. It's a short video of the camera in action, and I think overall it looks pretty good. So in the video, and as you can see right now, you can see this white piece at the bottom of the dash cam. That's just from the tissue box itself. When I had the cutout, it sort of sticks out. What I'm going to do is actually remove this cutout, so it all looks like one piece. And the best place is to mount it up on the windshield, on the rear windshield. That will give you more view, but overall I'm happy with where it is right now. It's very nice and looks good. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Do give the video, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I will catch you guys in the next video.